Hello and welcome to the video, and today I'm talking about my WPL C24-1. Now I bought this as a ready to run version and I've been upgrading it with metal parts over the last couple of years. Now WPL have released this link kit for the C14, C24, C24-1 and the C34, so I've bought this to fit to my truck. Now I decided not to film installing this on my C24 because WPL have a very good how-to video and the link to that is listed below. So here they are fitted to my chassis, and now with the body on and with the wheels. And now if you'd like to join me, we'll take it out into the woods for a test run. I brought the C24 to this bridleway in the woods. It's got some nice ruts and some loose dirt to negotiate, and I'll do a pass over in low gear and then I'll do another pass over in high gear. Okay, so that was in low gear, now we're going to do it in high gear. Well, that was a very successful test run with the new metal link suspension. No breakages and lots of fun. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you soon.